हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आई होप आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। तो आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं एक्सपेक्टेड आंसर्स ऑफ एमएससी जूलॉजी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम कंडक्टेड बाय हिमाचल प्रदेश यूनिवर्सिटी ऑन 23rd ऑफ द जून। सो अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन ऐसा लगता है कि इसका आंसर कुछ और होना चाहिए था, आपको कहीं पे भी डाउट है, तो आप कमेंट डाउन कर सकते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। तो हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, द पब्लिकेशन ऑफ फिलोसफिक जूलॉजी की केम इन 1809, which was the author of this? इसका राइट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर बी, which is Lamarck. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, द evolution of homo sapiens occur in, इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी, which is Pleistocene. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, इन बायोलॉजिकल क्लॉक द टर्म circadian rhythm is used for, इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, which is 24 hour. In question number 4, the question number 4 is the mutation theory of Hugo de Veris was based on the study of, इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी. Question number 5 है, which one of the following is an example of polygenic inheritance? Again easy question. Question number C is option number C is the right answer. Question number 69 है, who demonstrated definite transmission of yellow fever virus by mosquito in 1900? इसका जो right answer है वो है option number D. क्वेश्चन नंबर 70 है, स्पेशलाइज स्ट्रक्चर आर्टिस्टा इज फाउंड इन, तो इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 71 है, द इन्फेक्टेड फॉर्म ऑफ प्लाज्मोडियम इन मैन इज, तो इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 72 है, विच मैच्योर ऑर्गेनिज्म पोसेस न्यूक्लिएटेड आरबीसीज, तो इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी. नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 73, द एंजाइम रिलेटेड विद एल्बिनिज्म इज, तो इसका राइट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर सी. ऑल दो ये सारे क्वेश्चन जो वो शफल्ड हैं, सो प्लीज अपने आंसर्स को आप जो वो करेक्टली चेक कीजिएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 है, द फाइलम टू विच सी माउस बिलोंग इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज द राइट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 है, ऑर्निथिन साइकिल वाज डिस्कवर्ड बाय, तो इसका राइट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज इनहिबिटरी न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर? अगेन इजी क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज द राइट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 है, सिकल सेल एनीमिया इज अ मॉलिक्यूलर डिजीज, द स्टेटमेंट वाज फर्स्ट गिवन बाय, तो इसका राइट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर डी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 है, टू मेक कैरियोटाइप क्रोमोसोम आर फोटोग्राफ ड्यूरिंग, तो इसका राइट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर बी, विच इज माइटोसिस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 64 है, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ मोटर नर्व, तो इसका राइट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर डी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 65 है, द substance normally fail to cross cell membrane under any circumstances is, इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी, सॉरी ऑप्शन नंबर सी, विच इज डीएनए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 66 है, द लॉन्ग प्रोबिस्कस ऑफ बटरफ्लाई इज मॉडिफाइड, द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 67 है, द साइंटिफिक नेम ऑफ बॉम्बे इज, द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 68 है, मिस्कैरिडियन डिजीज इन सिल्क वॉर्म इज कॉज्ड बाय, द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए. Question number 6 है, in Chicambro, the function of excretion is performed by, the right answer is option number C, which is allantois. In Chicambro, which extraembryonic membrane act as a shock absorber and protect it from desiccation? The right answer is option number B. Question number 8 है, which one of the following is known as a Portuguese man of war? इसका right answer option number A. The organisms which are exclusively marine belong to a phylum. इसका right answer option number C. Question number 10 है, which one of the following is an egg-laying mammal? The right answer is option number C. Question number 59 है, the smallest size of a cell which can be seen by unaided human eye is, the right answer is option number C. Question number 60 है, the unique protein which occur in brown fat is option number D. Question number 61 है, the lysosome are known as suicidal bags of the cell because of, इसका again right answer है option number D. Question number 62 है, winter flounder gene was introduced in, तो इसका right answer option number B, which is transgenic fish. Question number 63 है, normally chromosome occur as homologous pair in, the right answer is option number D, which is zygote. Question number 49 है, which one of the following is not an example of the synovial joint? The right answer is option number B. Question number 50 है, continuity of germplasm theory was put forward by, the right answer is option number C. Question number 51 है, crossing over result into, the right answer is option number D. Question number 52 है, lawn grass is an example of, the right answer is option number D, autopolyploidy. Question number 53, which one of the following is not a termination of a stop codon? Very easy question, the option number A is the right answer. Question number 44 है, an artificial pacemaker is implanted in a human being due to dysfunction of, the right answer is option number A. Mad cow disease in cattle is caused by, the right answer is option number C. Question number 46 है, in metanephric kidney number of nephric tubule are equal to, the right answer is option number D. Question number 47, the heparin present in normal circulating blood is produced by, the right answer is option number C. Question number 48, beside mammal, which of the following animal excrete out urea? The right answer is option number C. Question number 54, genes are, the right answer is option number B, which is polynucleotide. Question number 55, the reagent used for thin layer chromatography for amino acid is, the right answer is option number C, which is ninhydrin. Question number 56, which of the following is known as Kornberg enzyme? The right answer is option number B, which is DNA polymerase. Question number 57, the stain used for electron microscopy is, the right answer is option number D, which is osmium tetraoxide. Question number 58, scanning electron microscope is used for, the right answer is option number A, which is system analysis. Question number 40, the tusk of walrus are formed by, the right answer is option number C. Question number 41, in vertebrate, the center of for hunger, thirst and temperature regulation are located in, so right answer is option number C. Question number 42, which one of the following is a true fish? The right answer is option number D, which is sawfish. Question number 43 is a match the column type of a question, and the right answer is option number B. Question number 84, for a normal functioning of a sex gland, which one of the following is needed? So right answer is option number A. Question number 85, gene for gene hypothesis was proposed by, the right answer is option number B. Question number 86, living unstained cell and organism can be seen absorbed being used, which is very easy question again, which is option number D, which is phase contrast microscope. Question number 87 is, the term biosphere was coined by, the right answer is option number B. Question number 88, lambda shaped energy flow model in ecosystem was proposed by, so expected answer for this question is option number C. Question number 35, bubonic plague in man is caused by the Yersinia pestis, its vector is, the right answer is option number D. Question number 36, number of primary spermatocytes required to produce 200 spermatozoa are, option number A is the right answer, which is 50. Question number 37, endothelioporial placenta is found in, the right answer of this question should be option number D. Question number 38, bioluminescent option is option number B is the right answer. Question number 39, flightless birds are included in superorders, the right answer is option number C. Question number 99, the head office of IUCN is located at, the right answer is option number B. Question number 100, which of the following is a parasteroid? The right answer is option number A. Question number 31, numerometabolous type of metamorphosis is found in, the right answer is option number B. Question number 32, in 5 kingdom classification proposed by the Whitaker, cyanobacteria are included in the kingdom Monera, option number A is the right answer. Question number 33, ribbon worm belong to a phylum, so answer is option number C. Next is the question number 34, which is again a match the column type of a question, and the answer for this question is option number D. Question number 79, which are the mobile genetic elements? So right answer is option number C, transposons. Question number 80 is, chlorofluorocarbons are harmful due to following effect they bring. So option number B is the right answer. Question number 81, toxic obtained from Bacillus thuringiensis is option number B is the right answer. Question number 82, jet DNA is, so right answer is option number B, left-handed with 12 base pair. Question number 83, the antibody responsible for allergic reaction is, option number C is the right answer, IgE. Question number 94, during nitrogen cycle, the bacteria which convert nitrate into molecular nitrogen is, option number B is the right answer. Question number 95, Earth Summit, officially known as United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, was held in 1992. Its venue was, the right answer is option number option number B. Question number 96, right answer for the question number 96 is option number D, eye of the insect. Question number 97, vitelline membrane is also known as, so right answer is option number A. Question number 98, the cause of Down syndrome is, again a very easy question, question number B, option number B is the right answer. क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज इनकरेक्ट, तो हमें इन सब में से बताना था कि कौन सा वाला इनकरेक्ट ऑप्शन है, तो ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज अ इनकरेक्ट ऑप्शन, इसमें उत्तराखंड यहाँ पे जो वो राइट ऑप्शन होना था कॉर्बेट के साथ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 27 है, द बेस्ट इंडिकेटर ऑफ सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड पोल्यूशन इज, द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28, बॉटम ड्वेलिंग ऑर्गेनिज्म आर कॉल्ड, द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैज लोएस्ट प्रोडक्शन, द राइट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी. Question number 30, an appropriate example of interspecific relationship is option number C. Question number 21, the membrane which develop from the somatopleure is, the right answer is option number B. The term biocenosis was given by, option number C is the right answer. Question number 23, biodiversity day is observed on, the right answer is option number C, which is 22nd of the May. Question number 24, the unit absorbed dose of radioactive substance is option number A, which is gray. So do not confuse with the actual unit of radioactivity. जब हम absorbed dose की बात करते हैं तो वहां पे हम radioactivity की जो unit है वो लेते हैं gray. तो option number A is absolutely right answer for this question. Question number 25, which one of the following water reservoir possess highest biological oxygen demand? So right answer for this question is option number D, which is eutrophic. Question number 89. In India, the most potent site of producing tidal energy is option number C is the right answer. Chromosome theory of inheritance was proposed by, the right answer is option number C. Reticular activating system is associated with, the right answer is option number A. Question number 92. Cushing syndrome is due to, the right answer is option number B. 93. The virus causing yellow fever in human is transmitted by, the right answer is option number D. Next is question number 74. The most important enzyme used in genetic engineering is option number D. Question number 75. Insect pest resistant Bt cotton plant was developed using, the right answer is option number A. Question number 76. Delay in ripening of tomato is due to, right answer is option number B. Question number 77. Which one of the following is first developed biopesticide? The right answer is option number A. Question number 78. Reverse transcriptase was discovered by, the right answer is option number A. Question number 16. Adipokinetic hormone is secreted by, the right answer is option number B. Question number 17. A true perivisceral cavity is not found in, the right answer is option number C. Question number 18. No larva stage is found in, right answer is option number C. Question number 19. Chlorogion cell found in are related to, the right answer is option number B. Question number 20. The type of cleavage found in centrolistral egg is, the right answer is option number B. So ये थे हमारे 100 क्वेश्चन जो कि आज के एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में पूछे गए थे. अगर आपको किसी भी क्वेश्चन में कोई भी डाउट है तो आप कमेंट डाउन कर सकते हैं एंड आई होप आपको अपने सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर मिल चुके होंगे. अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो आप प्लीज कमेंट डाउन कीजिएगा. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना ना भूलें. साथ में चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाएं ताकि आपको आगे की सारी नोटिफिकेशंस मिलती रहें. थैंक यू.